Hey there guys! Yes, finally got the airbrush. I have been making videos about this constantly, community posts constantly, and it's finally here. It's finally working. Yep. So I am really excited about getting this going. I've got a few paint kits that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy the first set this week, just to test to see what they're like. It's acrylic. I can never say that word properly. Paints that has thinner with the kit. So I will need to get some beakers as well to mix them with. Oh man, this is going to be a lot more to learn. I've never done this before. This is my first airbrush, and I'm going to be learning as I go with you. We're going to be practicing on this test model right here, just to get used to spraying on a model car. Now of course, every model car is designed differently, but the basis of the idea of a model car is all the same, pretty much. Not coming out properly. There's really not much I can do with it at the moment, until I find out how to. In fact, no, let me rephrase that actually. There's still something I want to try that I haven't tried yet, so I am going to hold the trigger in slightly while adjusting the needle. So I'll be adjusting it from the starting position right till it's at its max position, just until I get a spot of paint coming out. And if that goes well, we can continue this video. Oh man. Honestly, I am so excited to finally get this airbrush up and going. Now, I will be testing it on this test model in the blue colour. This car is going to look completely different when it's all sprayed blue. So, that being said, I'm going to continue experimenting with this airbrush off camera, and I'll see you in the next video.